This video provides you with an opportunity to practice your stochastic calculus. Now assume S is the price of the S&P 500 and further assume it follows a geometric Brownian motion, with mu and sigma being constants and B being a Brownian motion. Now show that the conditional variance of the S&P 500 return would follow e to the 2 mu times e to the sigma square minus 1. Task B. Assume that the US market return on the S&P 500 has the following mean and variance. Now show that mu has to be 0.0675 and sigma has to be 0.1537. Now as a hint, if y is an exponential function of x and x is Gaussian with expectation mu and variance sigma square, then it holds that the standard deviation of y equals the expectation of y times the square root of e to the sigma square minus 1.